Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious and we're back again with another video. So today we're just going to do my hair. I will just be spraying it a bit there and there just to, water it and damp it so that it's not painful when I comb it out. Next, I'll be using this hair gel to slick my hair. I'll be using a string which I cut off from a wig cap to tie my hair. Okay now guys, so I am done now bathing and I even wore something. Today I figured let me go formal. There's nothing wrong with going formal once in a while. So yeah, I think we're all done. So I had to wait like for 10 minutes Basically that's the time I took to shower, and voila, your girl is done. Your girl is done. So now guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come again and view more videos. Yeah, I just realized that on my previous video the comment section was off, so I will not make the same mistake again. Now know that the comment section will be open, and please do leave a comment. So if you can follow me on my Facebook page, Precious M Buntle, I have a giveaway. So the winner I will announce on the 15th of August. So what you have to do to enter the giveaway would be that, first of all, you need to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, you need to watch 3 of my videos, like them, comment them, and also share them. And then the third thing that you need to do is at least invite 3 of your friends to do the same thing, and then screenshot and then DM me, and then I will make sure Gucci the winner gets a beautiful palette. I will just show it here. It's very gorgeous, you guys. It's very pigmented, and I am sure you are going to love it, and all those looks that you're going to do with it, oh my gosh, the bomb.com. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you think about my beautiful hairdo. Oh yeah. So thank you so much, you guys. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.